Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. This week I wrote so many laundry supplies couponing deals that I had to split it into two deal videos. So in today's deal video, we're going to go over 10 more Dollar General laundry supplies couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, September 23rd. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post two Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. For today's question, I have a super special and unique one. I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know, did you know that today is actually my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave? And I wanted to tell you a quick story. Now, a lot of people don't know the story about LoveLiveSave, but several years ago, I wanted to start teaching people how to coupon because I've been couponing for nearly 15 years now. But oddly enough, I didn't think I'd be very good at teaching people. And 3 years ago today, my life was completely flipped upside down when my husband called me in the middle of the night. He worked a midnight shift at the time to let me know that his work had caught fire in the middle of the night. And luckily, everyone was okay. But unfortunately, he had lost his job for nearly 9 months after that incident. And with the middle of the pandemic, and I kept seeing all of my friends hurting with, shortages and everything, and then the fire situation had happened, I decided that with that being my lowest moment of my life, I didn't want to get stuck in a rut, and I really wanted to turn an awful situation into a positive one, and I started LoveLiveSave. I started posting my couponing deals in the hopes that my followers would never fall into a situation like I did and be a little bit more prepared when horrible situations happen. Now, here we are 3 years later, and I have built this amazing community, and I have every single one of you to thank for this. It has meant so much to me to be a part of your lives over the last 3 years, and I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for being here and showing your loving support. I really, really, truly appreciate it. Now, make sure you share this video with all your friends and family members too that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there. We could all use extra savings, right? That way I can get these deals out to them and help them too. So let's get started with these deals, shall we? I had so much fun putting together today's deals. So for this first one, grab one of the big bottles of Downy fabric softener, 2 Dawn Power Wash refills, and 2 of the 3-count packs of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. This is such an awesome coupon, as well as the $3.99 off 2 Dawn Power Wash coupon. This is, I believe, the last week for these 2 coupons, so if they are items that you like to use for your family, please don't let this coupon expire. I speak from experience. You're gonna regret it. I accidentally let them expire the last time, and I spent weeks really wishing I hadn't. So after all coupons for this deal, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.46 plus tax for a 56% off savings. We're paying a little bit less than the full retail of just the Downy fabric softener alone, and both of the Dawn Power Wash and the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers basically end up being free. For this next deal, I'm really happy that they came back with the $2 off Gain detergent, fabric softener, and dryer sheet coupon. So we're going to stock up on it. Grab 1 medium bottle of Gain fabric softener, 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, and 2 of the Gain Power Blast sprays. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.46 plus tax for a 54% off savings. Now, one of my favorite things that I do with my personal couponing style is I like working in items that we almost never get coupons for. And when it comes to laundry supplies, I am a huge fan of the Borax Detergent Booster. If you've never used this product, definitely try it. It's awesome. It makes the laundry detergent work so much better at getting those stains out. It's an amazing product. So we're going to work it into this deal. Grab 1 box of the Borax Detergent Booster, 1 small bottle of Gain laundry detergent, one of the 130 count boxes of Bounce Pet dryer sheets, and then one small bottle of Tide with Downy laundry detergent. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.45 plus tax for an easy 46% off savings. Now, that's not bad when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the borax. See what I'm saying? It's awesome when you work it into deals with higher value coupons. And in this deal, that is definitely the Bounce dryer sheets and the $2 off Tide detergent coupon. It helps bring down our out of pocket for the borax. This week, we have several really fabulous coupons for the Gain fireworks, so it's a great time to stock up on it. Grab one of those big containers of Gain fireworks, a medium Gain fireworks, and then one of the Eric oil warmers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.45 plus tax for a 47% off savings. So I want to make sure I include here, in case you got the $4 off Tide coupon that does apply to the big container of Gain fireworks, you could totally substitute it. Don't click on clip the $3 off Gain coupon and instead clip that $4 coupon and you'll save an extra dollar on this transaction. But for this deal, I include the $3 off one for those of us that did not get that coupon. Now moving on, for this next deal, grab one bag of the Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods. I'm going to be so sad when these Tide coupons expire. And then grab one of the 5-count packs of the Eric plug-in refills. Also going to be sad when that coupon expires. And then 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.96 plus tax for an easy 61% off savings. Now, our next couple of deals are going to help you to stock up on those Bounce dryer sheets since we got those fabulous $4 off coupons for them. This is prime time for us to add these items into our stockpile for a cheap out of pocket. So for this deal, grab one of the 130 count boxes of Bounce Pet dryer sheets, a small bottle of Downy Rinse and Refresh, a small bottle of Gain fabric softener, as well as one of the small bags of Tide Pods. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.40 plus tax for a 58% off savings. Then we have this deal. So grab one bottle of Dreft laundry detergent. We got a $3 off coupon for it, which is awesome. One of the 130 count boxes of Bounce Pet dryer sheets. Now you can also substitute these dryer sheets for the regular box of the 240 count Bounce dryer sheets. They both have $4 off coupons for them. Obviously, more dryer sheets in the box, but if you choose that one, just make sure you clip the correct coupon because it's not one coupon that works off 2 items, if that makes sense. And then grab 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.46 plus tax for a 54% off savings. And if you really want to stock up on dryer sheets, that's going to last you a long time. Grab one of the 240 count boxes of Bounce dryer sheets, a 130 count box of the Bounce Pet dryer sheets, as well as one of the 200 count boxes of Gain dryer sheets. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.40 plus tax for a 55% off savings. This is a lot of dryer sheets for such a low out of pocket. And like I said, this is going to last you a while. I always like working in laundry couponing supply deals that kind of have a mix of everything you need to do like a load of laundry, if that makes sense. So I definitely wanted to do that with this deal. So grab one bag of the Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods, one small bottle of Downy Rinse and Refresh, a medium-sized bottle of Gain fabric softener, as well as one Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.35 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Now, to do your laundry, all you need for this deal is dryer sheets, right? And I got another deal for that. So grab one of the 240 count boxes of Bounce dryer sheets, a 130 count box of Bounce Pet dryer sheets, one Eric oil warmer, and one Febreze fabric refresher. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.60 plus tax for a 66% off savings. I am so in love with this coupon deal. It is an awesome opportunity to really build up your stockpile all at one time, especially for the dryer sheets. This is our time to shine with the dryer sheets for sure. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. Now, in case you're looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I'll have the information in both places for you for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list from week to week because I often write so many more couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this deals list will have anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. And I'm super proud to tell you that not only did I break my personal record for the most amount of couponing deals that I've ever written for one individual week, I smashed that goal for you guys this week because, like I said, helping you save as much money as I possibly can means a lot to me. And this week's deals list has 170 couponing deals. Yeah, you heard that right, 170. I'm super proud of this week's deals list. I had so much fun with it. Now, this is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you either download it to your smartphone, you can download it to a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want because I keep all the categories of deals separated. And these all include major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. We're talking gain deals because, of course, it's Dollar General. We love our gain deals, right? We have toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care. We even have diaper deals, Tide deals, and a cheap out-of-pocket deals list. And for the first time ever, I even included a disinfectants couponing deals list because, you know, cold and flu season is coming and we got to be prepared. We don't want to get stuck having to pay full price for it, right? Because we don't pay full price here at LoveLiveSave. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. Again, I'll have it down below in the comments and the video description for you. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.